Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Adamant Orange. This week's 3D metal model news brief. Going to be kind of quick this week as I've been working some overtime and I haven't had a lot of time to research. But a couple of things new on the Fascinations Coming Soon page. We have the Black Hawk model, the Sikorsky UH-60, a model number of MMS 461. It's listed as having 2 sheets with moderate difficulty. And the finish size is 1.6 by 1.45 by 0.52 in height, and that's in inches, or they've also got centimeters, which is 4.1 by 3.68 by 1.32 centimeters in height. So that's really short. I'm wondering if that's an error because it's not even an inch high. It's only a half an inch high. That's very odd. I'm going to have to keep an eye on that. It is a neat looking model. It's another helicopter model, so another one of the aircraft models. Pretty cool. And then we have one that I've seen a lot of people get very excited about. We have the Mars Rover Perseverance and Ingenuity helicopter, which it's kind of a shame these models aren't out already since the Perseverance recently landed on Mars and there's been some excitement in the news about that, but it's coming soon. Model number MMS 465, listed as a challenging model, not surprising, probably has a lot of detail. 4.5 sheets, and we have a finish size listing for the Rover of 4.92 by 3.54 by 2.95 in height. And of course, centimeters is 12.5 by 8.99 by 7.49. And then the helicopter is listed as a 1.02 by 1.3 by 0.79 inches in height. And of course, in centimeters, 2.59 by 3.3 by 2 centimeters in height. So, smaller. Both of those in one model, so that's pretty cool. We're going to get both the Perseverance and the little helicopter that comes with it. A lot of people are very excited about that. Another one to add to the space models that I still have some catching up to do. But that'll be pretty cool to have both of those out. The other thing that I want to touch on briefly this week is CodeWookie found, according to his page, metalmodelbuilder.com, he found a Piececool model that he or I had neither of us seen before, and honestly I haven't even seen for sale on AliExpress, and I did do a quick search and didn't find anything. But listed under, I believe they're P series models, is a Tian Y Tian series Danku. At least that's how it translates through Google Chrome. Danku Wonderland, it's a model P169-GW, and there's some basic listing of details just like with Metal Earth and Piececool usually does. Number of metal sheets is 9 1/4 sheets, which the normal sheet's 11 by 21 centimeters, so you've got 9 of those, and I guess a quarter size sheet. Listed as having 795 parts, 10 accessories, brass, metal. The metal is listed as brass, so not stainless steel. And a finish size, where did that go? I tried to copy the finish size, but it didn't come through on my notes. But it's listed as 7-star difficulty, and according to this, was due to be released in January, though again, is never shown up on the main page, and I have not found it anywhere on like AliExpress. And excuse me for a moment there, although that was probably brief for you, I've got the finish size of that model as 25.5 centimeters by 18.6 by 27.5 centimeters in height. And of course I'll put a little picture of the model up for you to see. It's rather delicate looking, intricate model, a lot of hanging pieces. I don't know what the deal is with this, why it's not shown up and it's just kind of buried in their P series. It never showed up on the home page, and I've not seen it on AliExpress. If you have, please leave in the comments down below where you've seen it at, and maybe we can get some more information about it. And also, with it having a release date of, I believe, or month of January of this year, well past January, so what happened? And maybe that's one of the reasons it never showed up. It was planned and something held it up. I don't know. But I apologize for having such a brief video this week. As I've kind of stated, I've been working a lot of overtime, so my time has been brief, but hopefully my plan, of course, is next week to dig a little deeper and bring you more, as I will have the weekend off and a little more time to do what I normally do. So thank you for watching. Thank you to my Patreon supporters for continuing to support this channel, and we'll try to dig a little deeper next week. As always, keep on keeping on.